Hi everybody, it's Renee from Wanna Scrap, and I'm here today to share with you how I made my magnets, my creature magnets. So what I did was they've all been painted black, and it doesn't bother me that there's spots showing through. This one was spray painted black, and this little dude is just black. So I just want to show you how I build up these spots in here so that they stick really well. So we're going to need some little magnets. I just got these from the Dollar Tree, and a glue gun. And what we're going to do with the glue gun is just build up some stuff in here. And just got to let that cool. And you will need some E6000. That really helps the magnets to stick. So I'm going to do the frog here. And well, first I'm going to do this one so it has time to dry. So I'm just going to build it all up in here. And I need another glue stick. I just love the effect of this. When I saw this on Pinterest, I knew I was going to do this because it's such a simple, easy, within budget, fun thing to create when you're crafting. So that's definitely got to cool a bit. And this one is still working, but in the meantime, we will work on Mr. Frog here. So, get rid of all these glue strings. And we want to make sure the magnet's going to stick the right way. And put some right on his belly. And these I would let set for about 24 hours with the E6000. So we got the magnet on his belly there. And we just gotta wait for these to cool. Okay, so we now have everything dry here. That's what we want, is the glue to set and turn kind of opaque there. And we have our centipede. And then we just take our magnets and we're gonna glue them onto the glue. And as I said, this will need to set for about 24 hours. And it just needs a little dab. Push it down there. And this gives it something to attach to. And then same with the spider. And I think I'll need put another one on him here. Oh no, not the glue. Ah, it just wants to do its own thing. Okay. Well, I guess we will have to wait until that one dries. Give it one more try. What do you think, guys? Put it right there. No, it's not going to work. Alrighty, so the magnets are too close, so that's obviously something don't want to do, is have them too close. But there we go, and that was so easy, and it adds such a great effect to anything metallic like the fridge. And I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good day. Bye for now.